Hey guys, it's Jason and Michelle, and today we are coming to you from the beautiful country of Macedonia, or the former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia, and we're going to walk you through our time in this absolutely beautiful country.
So we are working our way through the Balkans, and we just came from Bulgaria, and we shot across the lower part of Bulgaria and into Macedonia on the south side. When you're crossing the border, they will ask to see your passports, and they will also ask for your car information. And then once you arrive, every place that you stay, they have to register you here with the police department. And so some places, our very first place, they just took a picture of our passport, and here we actually had to go to the police station and check in with them. So just keep in mind that you might need to add that into your schedule because it might take a little bit of time to go do that. So we worked our way to Horrid, which is Lake Horrid. There's two lakes near the south of Macedonia. So you can look over the lakes and see into several other countries in Albania and Greece, depending on which lake you're in. Very beautiful views, they're drivable, they're also hikeable. So you can go to all of these different national parks. Pelister is one of them, but then we stayed at Lake Horrid, which is near the other national park, Gladica.
So Horrid itself is a really pretty and old, kind of a touristy city, and they of course have a beautiful fortress, as so many of these do, out on this really cool peninsula and up on a hill. So we went up there and visited it. It was beautiful. It's just like, I think it's like $1 or $2 to get in. And go up on the walls, and you have amazing views of the region, and you can see all across the lake, and it's really beautiful. There's also, of course, some amazing churches in the area and other ruins and amphitheater. There's it's a beautiful little quaint area, very old, lots of history there. A great place to grab a bite to eat and just enjoy some of the views there. So from the Lake Horrid area, we drove up to Skopje, and it is an absolutely beautiful drive. Give yourself a whole day, if not more than one. It is so pretty. You go through Mavrovo National Park, and there's just views everywhere. You follow this huge river. Becomes a lake, which is a river, which is a gorge. I mean, it is so pretty. I cannot tell you how much we enjoyed this drive just the other day. Along the way, we stopped at Doof Waterfall, and pictures aren't going to do justice to Doof Waterfall. We looked it up, we're like, this could be kind of cool, but it is really neat. It's just kind of tucked away. It's hard to photograph because you're going to get sprayed with all this water, but it's an intense experience. I mean, you get real close to it, you're going to get wet. But we definitely recommend. It's a very short hike. It's about a kilometer in. Again, it's beautiful. The river follows most of it. Highly recommend.
So after a long day of driving, we made it to Matka. We found two of the most popular tourist places here just by looking up fun pictures online of what we wanted to see. And turns out they are the most touristy places in Macedonia. Matka,
But I mean, look at it.
It's touristy for a reason.
It's awesome.
So Matka is beautiful. It's in a kind of a canyon area. It's known for caves and just these beautiful rock walls. It's gorgeous. And we're just staying at an Airbnb here, and we made it up today and did a couple of little short hikes. We took a little boat ride across the river up there, and we hiked up and hiked back. It was about an hour. It was gorgeous, beautiful views. And then you can also eat there. They have a touristy little area to eat, and you can take a kayak out if you want. And we also walked along the rock formations there just to see the whole little canyon area. It is gorgeous.
A couple tips for Matka Canyon. Definitely go during the week. So we got in last night on a Sunday, and this place was crawling with people. I mean, it was ridiculous. We went this morning on Monday, and there was no one. And it was so much nicer. And so it's very popular, especially for people who are really close to Skopje. And so there's a lot of people that just come out from the city for the day. And so you definitely want to go during the week. We definitely recommend during the morning to avoid the crowds as well. Boat ride costs about 30 dinar, and they're not going to have change. And the odds are you're not going to get the same guy to come back, so you want to just have a little bit of change to be able to pay for that ride up. But it is a beautiful day. Highly recommend it. Amazing views and some really nice hikes. Mm-hmm. So come check out Macedonia. It's an absolutely beautiful country. We're excited that we got to share it with you. Also, please add your comments down below, and let's help everyone else have a great adventure in Macedonia. We'll see you next time.
Today we're talking about... I was going to say Mesopotamia.
Try again.
And both of those lakes, you can look over the lakes and see into Albania and Romania. No.
Nope. Hike costs you like 30 dinar. Yep.
In Nope. Yep. Latika to here, which is called
Country, and we're yep. Do that here, or please add any more comments in the